Good morning. Welcome to your Monday, October 16th daily operations weather briefing. Currently across the region, we do have a cold front that is moving through the area and will be providing us with plenty of showers this morning into the early afternoon time frame. We'll also see quite a drop in our temperatures throughout the morning into the afternoon as well. We've already reached our high temperature this morning of around 70 degrees, and as of 6 a.m. this morning, we were around 70. We've already dropped down to around 63 degrees, and those temperatures look like they'll drop further behind this cold front, as well. Have temperatures dropping down into the upper 50s just around noontime this afternoon. If we just look at the temperatures associated with this cold front, it might be a little bit hard to see on the TV screen, but we do have temperatures right now in the 70s and the mid 60s. But behind that, in the areas of West Virginia and back in the Ohio Valley, we have temperatures dropping down into the lower 50s to the upper 40s, and that's how cold that air mass is behind this cold front, with the Canadian high pressure that's building in behind it. So we're going to have quite a drop off in our temperatures as we have been experiencing the past couple days. Looking at the current radar and satellite imagery, again, we do have plenty of shower activity moving through the area. It doesn't look like we'll be having any lightning activity with this. Just going to be moderate showers moving through this morning into the early afternoon. And winds will pick up a little bit out of the north as well this morning into the early afternoon. Should see winds sustaining at about 10 to 15 knots, gusting to around 21 this afternoon, later this morning into the afternoon time frame. And then skies also will begin to gradually clear as we head into the later portions this afternoon as high pressure quickly builds into the region. Currently, right now, we're overcast at 3,500 feet with a northerly wind at 8 knots, temperature of 63 degrees, and a relative humidity of 84%. For the next 24 hours, we do have likely chances of rainfall this morning and through the early portion of this afternoon. Rain chances look to be fairly likely before 2 p.m. and then just a chance of rainfall between 2 and 4 before the rain chances really diminish after 4 p.m. this afternoon. And as you can see, temperatures will be dropping throughout this morning, currently 63 degrees, dropping down into the upper 50s closer to noontime, and they'll be hovering in the upper 50s throughout the remainder of the afternoon. Skies will be clearing as we go through the later portions of this afternoon as well, eventually becoming partly cloudy after 4 p.m. Winds will also begin to die down as well, as that cold front will quickly move out of the area and high pressure moves in behind it. And temperatures, as you can see, during the overnight will actually drop down into the lower 40s. Our overnight lows are normally around 50 degrees for this time of year, so fairly unseasonably cool night under clear skies. And that'll continue into tomorrow as we're expecting sunny and unseasonably cool conditions with a high of 60 degrees. Normal daytime highs around 70 degrees. And then Tuesday night looks to be the coldest night, as we're going to get down to around 40 degrees. Areas farther north, such as Salisbury, could reach down into the mid 30s. And areas farther west of the Chesapeake Bay possibly could even see some areas of frost as well. So it's going to be a fairly chilly night Tuesday night into Wednesday, as there will be high pressure directly overhead, light winds, and clear skies, setting up for a perfect radiational cooling night. And then Wednesday, mostly sunny and seasonable with a high of 67 degrees, as that high pressure system will begin to move a little bit more offshore and winds shifting more to a southeasterly direction, allowing temperatures to bump back up to closer to seasonable levels. Again, we'll be up to a high of around 67 degrees. That'll conclude the daily operations weather briefing for today. We'll be back with you with an extended outlook at 10 a.m. Have a great day.